Life in the early Bracero. We were volatile and vocal, musicians, poets, photographers sharing a flophouse on the wrong side of the tracks in the Barrio section of town. Here the door was always open, cold beer plentiful, more than enough wine and weed to go around. Parties were spontaneous and continual. Once started, the feasting, fucking, and fighting could extend for weeks at a time. Anyone might be scribbling poetry at the kitchen table, loading blues onto the stereo turntable, filming an experimental video, committing adultery, playing exquisite corpse, performing passionate art. Strangers would wander in to verify rumors, take one look and run like hell. We were a family of washed ashore misfits, emotionally damaged, economically unstable, the most creative we would be for the rest of our lives.